So Adobe had a couple of really interesting sneak peeks, and these things sometimes turn out into fairly major new technologies. Hey guys, so this is going to be a very quick video to let you know about a couple of really interesting developments in Adobe land. The first one is going to be inside of Adobe Camera Raw and Lightroom, and they're calling it a replacement to the split toning function. Now, I've covered split toning in Camera Raw and in Lightroom a couple of times, and it's basically a way of adding a bit of color to the highlights and the shadows of an image, a little bit of eye candy to your photographs. This one is going to be a full advanced color grading feature that will allow you to attack the highlights, change the colors inside of the midtones, and then attack the shadows as well. So it's going to be like the color grading features that we have inside of Premiere Pro. Another feature is even more significant, I think. It is automated sky replacement powered by Adobe Sensei, the artificial intelligence that Adobe is creating inside their secret laboratories. Now, this new feature will allow you to get a single click composition sky replacement. It looks kind of awesome. You're gonna be able to change a few of the settings to, blend things a little bit better, and afterwards you'll be able to edit the individual layers as well. So it's going to give you a lot of options for sky replacement. Now, some people may go around saying that Adobe are just copying Skylum with their Luminar sky replacement, but that's not the case. Apparently Adobe actually showcased this particular feature in an Adobe Max presentation a few years ago. So they got there first, probably. And another piece of news is that the Adobe Max event is going to be virtual this year, so you'll be able to tune in online if you want to see that. That's going to be it for this one. I'm looking forward to these new features, and I hope you are too. We're going to leave it at that, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.